Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're discussing the benefits of collagen for hair loss and thinning hair in women. Hair loss can be a troubling experience, but did you know that collagen can help tremendously? Let's dive in and find out more. Collagen is a protein that is found in the body and is the most abundant protein in our skin, bones, and connective tissues. It's well known for giving skin a youthful appearance and supporting skin structure, but it also has benefits for our hair. How does collagen help with hair loss? Collagen provides the building blocks, also known as amino acids, for healthy hair in a form that the body can easily absorb. In addition to being a great source of amino acids, collagen helps keep our hair healthy by improving the health of our scalp skin. When the scalp is healthy, it can lead to thicker and stronger hair. Collagen is also rich in antioxidants, so it helps protect hair from free radical damage. What is the best type of collagen for hair loss? Considering there are over 16 types of collagen in the body, you want to ensure you are using the right type for hair. Type 1 collagen is considered one of the best types of hair as well as skin. It is found in bovine and marine collagen. Type 3 is great for hair because it is rich in hydroxyproline, which helps build keratin, which is the main protein that makes up our hair. Does taking collagen thicken hair? Yes, taking collagen can help thicken hair. By providing the body with the necessary nutrients it needs to produce more collagen, it can improve the overall health of the hair and scalp, leading to less hair loss and thicker hair. Is collagen or biotin better for hair growth? Wondering which is better for hair loss, collagen or biotin? Let's talk about it. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, is an essential vitamin that helps to support healthy hair, nails, and skin. It does this by supporting the body's keratin and helps your body use specific nutrients like fats. Collagen supports hair growth by giving the body the building blocks it needs to produce healthy hair, supporting scalp health, and fighting free radical damage. Since these collagen and biotin play different roles, you may find even greater benefits by using them both. How long does it take for collagen to improve hair? The length of time it takes for collagen to improve hair can vary, as everyone's hair growth cycle is different. However, some people may start to see results within a few weeks of starting a collagen supplement regimen. Curious what foods to boost the collagen? Bone broth, fish, and gelatin are all great sources of collagen. We have also linked our favorite collagen powder below. We selected this collagen powder because it contains high-quality, clean ingredients. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.